Alright, take two. So I am using this video card that you saw yesterday. Not today, but yesterday, by the time this thing's released. Anyway, I have this video card, in Blackmagic, which I recorded written down the previous benchmarks from the last card that was in here as kind of a comparison. Sorry, I'm not doing a side-by-side on it. But the last video card was a Matrox. Oh shoot. I'm trying to remember the model of it. Anyway, I don't remember the model of it. I don't even know if I mentioned the model of it in the last video. If I didn't, I am very sorry about that. It's not the fancy one, I know that. It's not the one that's got the... Oh, there it is. It's Mystic. Majestic. Whatever it is. I think it was like the 200 model or something like that. Nothing super fancy. Anyway, on to what I'm actually focusing on here. Like I said, I got that 16-bit ISA video card in here that I previously ran on the 386 SX40. For that computer, it actually done alright. On a 486 running a Cyrix chip at 100 megahertz, this may be a different story. So let's find out. Go into DOS bench. And the way I'm recording this is off of my screen capture device. Then I'm just shooting it straight over to YouTube. So no editing here. It's a lazy man's review. We're just going to go with that. Oh, wherever I put my phone at here, I got the numbers jotted down of exactly which tests I ran. So we're going to go with one first. Some of these are going to be probably pretty bad. I'm not going to lie. So here we have a score of 32.2. Now, the last time we ran this on the Matrix card, we had a score of 66.6. Wow. That's over... Whew. Yeah. That's more than a 50% drop. Not looking good for this card. Now the other one was... Come on, phone, focus with me. 5, which is Chris's 3D benchmark. No, my bad, I can't even read it right. PC player benchmark. Ugh. And while this thing's doing a somewhat fast slideshow here, the previous score was 17.1. And ouch, 13.1. That's pretty bad. So, let's go to the next one. Kind of seeing a trend here. Was C, which is the QuickTime demo. This one's probably going to take a hot second to load. Might as well give myself something to drink while I'm waiting on this thing to load up. It's like watching Windows 98 boot up on a very corrupt hard drive. Seems to be moving alright. I think that's more of the processor working for us until we get down to some action. Yeah. Well, it definitely gives you a little bit of time to look at the scenery. Oh boy. I think we know where this video card's going. I'm probably not going to run the the hardcore Doom demo or benchmark because of how slow this thing is going. I will run the low quality Doom demo though, just because this is pretty rough. So 10 frames per second. Last time we had with the other video card was 12.1 frames. And the seconds it was completed in on the last one was 79.9. We got 96.7. So, yeah. And we have it for that one. Yeah, throw the blanket in the party for next time. Alright. Thank you. So, let's go with A, the Doom minimum details. On the first go around here, we with the other video card was 21, 34 on game ticks and 772 real ticks. Obviously, lower is better. Ouch. So we got 1,161 real ticks versus 772. So now we know where this is going. Yeah. Well, I think I will download the drivers for this card, if I can find them, and see if the drivers do any improvement on here. But as it is, without drivers on this video card, just generic stuff, it's not looking too good. So once again, thank you for sitting with me through a quick benchmark, so to speak. And hope to see you next time. Stay safe out there, people.